Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 14th, and this is my analysis for the euro yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I've been saying that this could be the end of a wave B. Unfortunately, the only thing that's going to prove that to us is a break of structure on this daily time frame, which is way down here. Unfortunately, anything we see to the downside could possibly still just be a pullback within the uptrend. So the only information the market is telling us right now is that this wave from here to here is complete. The break of structure down is what's going to tell us that this is in a brand new downtrend, which would likely last several months. Going all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, this is why I have my Fibonacci retracement from here to here. I am definitely recommending shorts at the end of 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks, 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks, 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks, but we should be looking for shorts while we potentially are learning and earning whether this move down right here is just a pullback to this move up, or whether it continues to make lower lows, lower highs, and just keeps on pushing down like that. If this really is the top of a wave B, then this should make lower lows, lower highs, and just keep on pushing down. If it's not the end of a wave B, then eventually it's probably going to start making overlapping waves, probably go to a Fibonacci retracement level, and then turn back up in a big way. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.